welcome back to my channel. My name is Nima and I make fashion related content, and today I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of a review. We're not doing hauls, we're not doing none of that, and this is for period panties. I'm sure you guys have heard or like have used them before. I had not used them before, but I know they existed and I've heard about them. I've heard stories, but I was like, how does it work? Like, it don't make sense. Like, so like there is a pad on the pant that they sell to you. So like it never made sense to me until this brand recently reached out to me. They're called HighOh. I'll put all the links in the description down below, and I have a code. You can get their stuff from Amazon actually, which is so convenient. So yeah, the owners are like sisters. They're from like a low income family, so they try to like make a source of income that would help people save money but also increase money for them. So they came up with this idea of like having a period panties, because buying pads is just too expensive. It's really expensive and it's something you have to buy every month. So like they came up with this idea of like let's create something that people can buy and use on their periods, ongoing periods, without having to buy pads each and every flow. So they made their own brand, and that's what's called HighOh. So yeah, so as I said, they reached out to me. They told me like about their product, and I was like, you know what, maybe this is the time to try them, because I've never had tried them and I've always wanted to try one. So I was like, you know what, yeah, I'll give this one a try, because I sincerely, genuinely wanted to see how this works. So if you want to see a lot of what's going on in this video, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. So I have the product right here, and yes, this is the product. Look at just how convenient, how cute, how secretive that is. Like, who's gonna know you have period panties in here? Like, it looks like a bag that you put your bikini after you go to the beach and like you need to change. So yeah, nobody's gonna know anything, which we love. And it comes in a set of two, like, so each order, if you place one order, like one bag comes in two panties in here, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But yeah, and that's what it says right there. It says HighOh, but their Instagram is like HighOh, I think. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. HighOh. Yeah, so let's see what's in here. So as I said, it comes in a pack of two. The bag is really spacious, and it's like waterproof. So as you can see, the material inside, so whatever you need to change, you can put it right in here and put it in your purse, and it's not going to leak. So this is what they look like. They're all the same. So I'll put one down so you guys can see the other one. They're really nice. Like they feel like so like high quality, and they're fashionable too. Like they have like this mesh part here, just to make you not feel like you're wearing just a diaper. They're kind of big and heavy compared to like your regular panties, because these are like included the pad in between. If you have not caught up to this time, these are reusable, so of course they're eco-friendly. We love that these days. Like everybody just needs to reuse something, so you don't have to be buying pads every time like you're in your monthly. This is the padding area. I don't know if you can tell like how thickness is from the camera, but like yeah, it's really thick. Like I wish you guys could feel like it's thick. I don't know if you can hear that, like if you can see the difference. Like, it's thick. It holds a lot. I think about 5 to 7 tampons, which is, I don't know, 50 milliliters of like blood. I don't know those numbers, but that's why they say, so we'll go with that. Now, I said I've never used this, so I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be so awkward. And my first day, yeah, I was scared as hell. Like, I was taking one step at a time. Like, I was just checking myself every time, just to be like, is this really working? Like, I'm not gonna embarrass myself all that. But no, honey, they worked. I mean, I was really skeptical first 2 days, but like I used my flow. My flow is usually like 5 days, and like I used it, and I used it on my second period, like in the next month, because I was confident in them. They look like a diaper, but like a fashionable diaper. When you put them on, like, you really feel nice. Like, they're really full coverage, as you can see. Like, they're really conservative, which again we love. You're in a period, you don't want to do too extra. I know all women like differ in their flow, so my flow might not be as heavy as yours. So I tried this on my white bedding. If you guys know my dome, if you've ever seen my dome, I like white, so everything on my bed is white. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna give it a try. If anything happens, I'll just wash the sheets. I mean, what could go wrong? Nothing went wrong. So like I tried this on my first day. It did feel a little bit weird because it was my first time and I'm just used to pads, but so I was like, I don't know. And yeah, so even when they get full, like, you will know when it gets full, just as how you know when a pad gets full. It's not gonna leak or anything. It does not leak. Like, it absorbs just as a pad. You're not gonna feel wet, like none of that. Like, and that's what I was thinking. I was like, don't you just feel wet like when you're just walking? No, but if it gets too full, you will kind of start to feel it. So maybe that's when you'll know it's time to change it, and then that's why you have a second pair. I changed this like 3-4 times a day. So like regularly, what I would say is just you need like at least 5 of these For my flow, I have like low to medium flow, so I will use 5 a day. The set comes with 2, so you know, like you probably have to buy more. They're not really that expensive anyways, so when you buy them at once, like that's all, like you're gonna be using that as you go. Pads are expensive, we know that. So yeah, I would, you know, recommend 5 to 6 per day just to be on the safe side if you're not gonna be washing them all the time. I've seen a lot of people have like different methods of like how to wash, or like, you know, just the whole process. But yeah, what I did, I just used it, and when it got full, I just like folded it up, put it back in the bag, and then when the second one was full, like I would soak them. You can just go like on your bathroom sink and like just rinse them, and you don't have to like touch it if you feel like you're not comfortable with your own fluid, which I would understand. I wasn't. So you can just like, you know, hold it on the tap and just let the water run. You don't have to like make it clean. And if you know you're washing it the same day or like the second day, you don't even have to rinse them. Just put it in the bag. It does not gonna smell, like it does not smell. Like that bag is like smell proof, leak proof, like waterproof, everything. The next day, whatever, if you're doing your laundry, just put it, you know, like as a regular clothes. Now I wash them like alone because I just didn't want like the other stuff to be contaminated or anything, which probably won't if you wash with like other black stuff. And especially after you rinsed it, I don't think nothing's gonna happen. They wash really good. Like I like actually dried them on high for like 1 hour because, you know, my dryer is like set automatically for 1 hour, and you know, so I just left it there, and you know, it came out right. I love them. Bottom line, I like them. I would recommend them to people. Like if it's your first time, it might feel awkward. I mean, that's really normal, but yeah, I would say like just go give it a try. I really love them. But as I said, if you're getting them, just make sure like you have enough for like 1 day, or you can just get 2 just to see. Like you can try the first one, the second one, then just go back to pads. I still have my pads. Sometimes I wear the pads, but you know, like I still go back to these because I've already used this on like my 2 period flow, so like in 2 months I already used this, and I love them. Like I really recommend them. I'm happy that now I've tried. I know how they work. Just give it a try. It's really worth it. And as I said, they're reusable, they're eco-friendly, so like it's, you know, it's an investment. You buy them at once, and as I said, I'll put the links in the description below so you guys can go buy them, and I have a code, so if you want to get some dollars off, you can do that. I hope I've covered everything about these. Like, you know, as I said, the summary, they're really nice. They come in a pack of 2. They hold a lot of like probably 5 to 7 tampons, I think. Look really nice. No smell, no leaks. We love that. And they're reusable. Why not? If you have more questions, just put them in the comments. But I said I recommend these. Make sure you go get yourself some period panties and try them and see. Let me know if you like them, or like if you've tried them below. Just let me know how you felt. And that was it, you guys, for the end of this video. As I said, it was a really quick video, probably different from my regular hauls. So tell a friend to tell a friend if you know this information is going to help them. All the information will be in the description if you guys want to go shop their Amazon or like their website. Just go in the description. And yeah, till next time, I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.